Hello everyone. Today we're diving deep into a serious memory upgrade. The NEMIX RAM 384GB DDR5 kit. This isn't your everyday RAM. We're talking about a powerhouse designed for servers, workstations, and other demanding environments. This kit comes with 12 32GB DDR5 RDIMM modules, running at a speedy 5,600 MHz. That PC 5-44800 spec means it can handle a massive amount of data transfer, crucial for applications like video editing, scientific computing, or running a busy database server. The 1RX4 configuration is a nice touch, balancing performance and density. One of the key features here is ECC, or error correcting code. This is essential for maintaining data integrity in critical applications. ECC memory detects and corrects errors on the fly, preventing crashes and ensuring your data remains accurate. The 1.1V operating voltage is also worth noting, as it helps to keep power consumption and heat generation in check. NEMIX RAM positions itself as a provider of high-quality memory solutions, and this kit seems to fit that bill. They emphasize the ease of installation, which is always a plus. While installing RAM is generally straightforward, always consult your system's manual for specific instructions. The fact that NEMIX RAM offers a lifetime replacement warranty is a significant confidence booster. It shows they stand behind their product and are committed to customer satisfaction. This, coupled with their seasoned IT support staff, suggests a company that understands the needs of its customers. So who is this RAM for? If you're running a server, workstation, or any system that demands high capacity, high speed, and rock-solid reliability, the NEMIX RAM 384GB DDR5 kit is definitely worth considering. It's an investment in performance and stability that could pay off in the long run.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.